Every army depends on powerful trucks. They carry fuel, ammunition, troops, bridges, missile systems, and even tanks weighing more than 70 tons. Without them, military operations would come to a halt. But not all military trucks are built for the same mission. Some are unmatched off-road, others are designed to protect soldiers, while a select few can haul the heaviest armored vehicles on Earth. Today, we're looking at 5 legendary military trucks. Each dominates its own category, earning a title that no ordinary truck can claim. Let's begin with the king of off-road mobility. When the road disappears, the Tatra 815-7 comes into its own. Designed in the Czech Republic, this heavy tactical truck is built to conquer terrain that would stop most military vehicles. Its secret lies in Tatra's legendary backbone tube chassis and independently suspended half axles, a design that allows every wheel to maintain traction over rocks, mud, snow, and deep sand. Available in multiple configurations, from 4x4 to 10x10, the truck can transport troops, cargo, artillery, radar systems, and missile launchers. Depending on the variant, engines produce up to 691 horsepower, while armored cabs protect crews operating close to the front line. Reliable, versatile, and exceptionally capable off-road, the Tatra 815-7 has earned its reputation as one of the world's finest tactical military trucks. It's a machine built for places where there are no roads, only missions. Mastering difficult terrain is one challenge. Surviving the battlefield is another. Our next truck was engineered to keep its crew alive when danger is hiding beneath the road itself. On today's battlefield, the greatest threat isn't always visible. Hidden mines and improvised explosive devices can turn an ordinary road into a deadly trap. That's exactly the challenge the KamAZ 63968 Typhoon-K was built to overcome. Developed for the Russian military, this mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle combines heavy armor with impressive mobility. Its V-shaped hull helps deflect the force of explosions away from the crew, while its armored body is designed to withstand ballistic threats and shrapnel. Despite weighing more than 20 tons, the Typhoon-K remains highly mobile. A powerful diesel engine, all-wheel drive, and advanced suspension allow it to operate across rough terrain while carrying up to 16 fully equipped soldiers or mission-specific equipment. The truck also features modern technology, including cameras for improved situational awareness, a central tire inflation system, and protection against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. Built to carry troops safely through some of the most dangerous environments, the KamAZ 63968 is far more than a transport vehicle. It's a mobile fortress on wheels. For its exceptional combination of protection, mobility, and battlefield survivability, the Typhoon-K earns the title of Protection King. While protecting soldiers is one mission, moving the largest military equipment is another. The next truck was built during the Cold War for a task few vehicles could accomplish, hauling enormous tanks, missiles, and military machinery across vast distances. Long before today's heavy equipment transporters, there was the KamAZ 537, a machine that redefined what a military truck could move. Developed in the late 1950s by the Soviet Union, the KamAZ 537 was designed to transport the Army's heaviest assets, including main battle tanks, ballistic missiles, and oversized military equipment. At a time when few trucks could handle such immense loads, it became one of the most powerful military tractors ever built. Power came from a massive 38.8-liter V12 diesel engine producing 525 horsepower, driving all 8 wheels through an 8x8 drivetrain. Combined with its robust suspension and exceptional towing capability, the KamAZ 537 could pull trailers carrying more than 50 tons across highways, muddy fields, and frozen landscapes. Its enormous size and unmistakable engine sound made it an icon of the Cold War. Beyond tank transport, specialized versions recovered disabled armored vehicles, moved aircraft, and supported strategic missile units throughout the Soviet military. Decades after its introduction, many MAZ 537s remain in service or preserved in museums, a testament to their rugged engineering and lasting legacy. For pioneering heavy military transport and setting the standard for future heavy haulers, the MAZ 537 earns the title of Heavy Haul Legend. Transporting heavy equipment is impressive. But the next vehicle was designed for an even more demanding mission, moving some of the world's heaviest main battle tanks quickly, safely, and over long distances. Modern main battle tanks are engineering marvels, but getting them to the battlefield is a challenge of its own. That's where the Oshkosh M1070 heavy equipment transporter excels. Developed for the U.S. Army in the 1990s, the M1070 was purpose-built to transport heavy armored vehicles such as the M1 Abrams. Instead of driving tanks hundreds of kilometers and wearing out their tracks, the M1070 carries them on a heavy-duty trailer, keeping them combat-ready upon arrival. Powered by a high-output diesel engine and an advanced all-wheel drive system, this giant is capable of hauling payloads exceeding 70 tons across highways, deserts, and challenging off-road terrain. Despite its immense size, it delivers the reliability and mobility required for rapid military deployments. Its armored cab protects the crew during operations in hostile environments, while its heavy-duty winch system allows damaged vehicles to be loaded even when they can no longer move under their own power. Whether supporting combat operations or strategic deployments, the M1070 has become one of the world's most respected heavy equipment transporters. Built to move the heaviest machines on the battlefield, it rightfully earns the title of Tank Transport King. Moving tanks wins battles, but keeping an entire army supplied wins wars. Our final truck isn't known for carrying a single type of cargo. Instead, it does almost everything, making it one of the most versatile military logistics vehicles ever built. Every military operation depends on logistics, and few vehicles have mastered that mission better than the Oshkosh HEMTT, introduced in the early 1980s for the U.S. Army. The heavy, expanded mobility tactical truck was built to keep forces supplied under the toughest conditions. Rather than serving a single purpose, the HEMTT was designed as a family of heavy tactical vehicles capable of adapting to almost any mission. Its 8x8 drivetrain, powerful diesel engine, and exceptional off-road mobility allow it to carry heavy cargo across mud, sand, snow, and rugged terrain. But its true strength lies in its versatility. Different HEMTT variants deliver fuel, transport ammunition, recover damaged vehicles, carry bridge sections, and serves as a support platform for missile systems such as the HIMARS and the Patriot. This flexibility has made it an indispensable part of military operations for more than 4 decades. Proven in conflicts from the Persian Gulf to modern deployments around the world, the HEMTT has earned a reputation for reliability, durability, and the ability to operate where civilian trucks simply cannot. Without vehicles like the HEMTT, tanks would run out of fuel, artillery would run out of ammunition, and frontline units would lose the supplies they need to fight. For keeping armies moving, supplied, and ready for action, the Oshkosh HEMTT stands as the undisputed logistics king. These 5 trucks were built for very different missions, yet each has become a champion in its own field. The Tatra 815-7 rules the toughest terrain. The KamAZ 63,968 Typhoon-K protects soldiers in the most dangerous environments. The MAZ 537 set the benchmark for heavy military transport. The Oshkosh M1070 HET moves the world's heaviest armored vehicles. And the Oshkosh HEMTT keeps entire armies supplied and operational. Different missions, different strengths. One common purpose, making military operations possible. Which of these military giants impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stories about the world's most incredible military machines.